Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Boy, can I just sit back and say I've missed you guys so much. I have been in bed for 5 days with a migraine, and thank goodness for blackout curtains. I don't know what I would do without them. And for all you that took time to wish me well and didn't hold it against me that I did not post last video, I appreciate you guys so much. And Babyface, that you suffer from migraines too, thank you for all your kind words. You really made me feel so much better. I felt so bad that I wasn't filming, and reading your guys' comments, you just brought me back up. I really appreciate it. I don't know what I would do without friends like you guys. You are amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to be reviewing this over here. So this is going to be the Versed Day Resolve Cleansing Balm. And this is a drugstore cleansing balm. Here we go. This is $18 at Target. And before I take off my makeup, if you are not subscribed, make sure you don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button as well if you like the video. Okay, so I'm gonna let you look at all my heavy duty makeup. And let's go ahead and see the consistency of this. So here it is. So this is an oil. This turns into an oil. So it's very slippery. So I'm going to take about that much because I have a lot of makeup on. And I didn't tell you the ounces. So for $18 you get 0.23 ounces. Yeah, this just feels like an oil. And I'm going to be testing out a new washcloth. So this has really nice slip, and as you can see, it's doing a really good job. Okay, so I'm gonna rinse my hands off before I reach this pretty box because this is the first time I'm using this. So Tina Bacon on here turned me on to this. This is going to be the Clean Skin Club, and I got the Clean Towels XL. And she suggested using this instead of washcloths. So I'm gonna see if this will convert me. Tina on here is more than just a friend. She's pretty much my twin sister. So this is burning my eyes a little bit. Let me focus on the eyes, get it off, and see if it goes away right away. This feels really nice, this cloth. A lot better than the washcloth I was using. Okay, let me get my little mirror, see if get everything off. So I was sitting there thinking, have seen this throughout, I would say, 2 months on TikTok. Have you seen those things you put on your head? It's like a hat, and it's supposed to go in the cooler. You take it off, and it's supposed to really help with migraines. But I'm not sure if it's a gimmick or not. Let me know if you've tried that, because I'm so close to ordering it, especially with what I just dealt with. Okay, I think I got everything. Concentrate on that lower lash line. So this removed everything really nice. Don't forget about my hairline. So I'm gonna let you look. That cleansing balm did sting my eyes, but soon as I wiped it off, the sting went away, so it wasn't lasting. I didn't get any cloudiness. But this cloth, I can't go back to washcloths. You were right, Tina. Oh my goodness. And this thing is massive. Do you see all that area that's still available? Because I got a big face. I'm sitting there, I was like, I better get the extra large, but I don't know if it was even necessary. Okay, so now I'm going to get my cloth over here. As you can see, nothing's on it. And we're going to see if there's anything left before washing my face. Okay, there is nothing. So that did a really good job removing my makeup. Okay, now let's wash our face, because if you're using a cleansing balm, cleansing oil, make sure you're washing your face. So it's nothing special. This is not one of my favorites. I'm just going to use the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic. I got it in a box. I'm going to use it up. If you've seen my other cleansing balm reviews, I always do this because not everybody knows to wash your face after you're doing this. It is a double cleansing. That is a big part of it, because you still got cleaner on your face. Okay. My face feels good. So for a drugstore, this is really nice. I like it. The sting kinda, I have to make sure I'm close to somewhere where I can rinse this off. I don't know, maybe having a towel before I hop in the shower, because I like to put it on and then directly hop in the shower and wash my face. That is just my preference. I don't like doing it over the sink because my shirt gets all wet, my sleeves get all wet, and I can't stand that. But that's just me. So with using this, I will definitely have a wet cloth just to wipe my eyes so I don't trip and hurt myself, because we all know I can do that. So I got this in, I think, a Ipsy Glam Bag X, the Tower 28. So I'm going to use this as a toner. I really like it. And then my Holy Grail moisturizer, it's a little trial size, the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I always get those little sizes on the Ipsy sales. So, all done. I do have reactive skin, so this is nothing against the cleansing balm. I just get a red face, so that I'm expecting that. So I think this did a really good job. I give it 2 thumbs up. I'm really impressed. I like something that has slip to it. So it being an oil, I think that was really, really nice. And that will definitely help with dry skin as well. So that is the end of the video. If you stuck around, thank you so much. And again, thank you for everybody that took time to wish me nice things, because that really made me feel better. My husband was sitting there outside the door and he was whispering so it wouldn't bother me, but he was reading all your comments to me. He's the one who put up the "I'm sorry I can't post." I told him what to say. I wrote it down on a piece of paper and I was like, please post this. I want my friends to know I'm okay. So he was nice enough to do that for me. But I'm going to, as soon as I'm done editing this, I'm going to get back to all of you guys, because I can't thank you enough. And just know, if you suffer from migraines too, my heart goes out to you. If you suffer from cluster headaches, sinus headaches, anything like that, my heart still goes out to you, because that is extremely painful. I have friends that go through all those headaches, and it's not fun. You can't time it or anything. It just happens, and it usually sticks around for a while, and they're a pain in the butt to deal with. So anybody that is dealing with that, I love you guys. I'm thinking of you, and hopefully we can figure out how to get rid of it. So anybody that has suggestions, let's talk to each other, because who wants these things in our life? They just ruin everything. All right, so I look forward to seeing you in my next video, but we got to end it on a happy note. Fur baby time. So here is Miss Princess Sugar Bear. She is sending you all the kisses and hugs your way. We love you so much, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. And thank you again. I just can't stop saying it. You guys are awesome. Love you.